In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 3D slider template with Elementor. As you can see right now, everything is rotating smoothly, but the network is kind of disturbing. So I'm going to show you how to create this template from scratch if you want to do that. But if you don't want to go through all this process and all the steps used in this video, and you want to go direct and straight to the point, this is a template. I'm just going to leave the link in the description or the link in the comment section. You can download it straight away and install it to your website. And this is how you're going to use the template. If you have, you just need to click on the plus beside any container which you have. You just need to click on this folder. When you click on this folder, it's going to load up. What you need to do now is to click on this arrow button. You see import. It's going to take you to import templates to your library. You click on select files and it's going to load up your file manager, and you're going to see the template which you downloaded from my website. Right, this is a template right here, Elementor. You just click on it and it's going to ask you want to continue. You click on continue. You can click on do not show this message again, something like that. Click on continue. As a template, as you can see, curve shape slider effect. This is a template, and what you want to do now, you just need to click on insert, click on apply. And here you have this right here. Here you have your effects. That's your effects. Everything straight up. This is what you need to do. Like everything is straight up, all right? But if you want to go through the procedure, if you want me to show you the procedure, then let me walk you through, all right? I'm just going to add a new container. I just click on my plus button and I just click on that. And you add a new container, all right? Just need a single container. And when you click on the container is added, you want to put cam here to full width, container width, and make sure you put your container to full width. All right, so now when you put your container to full width, what you need to do now is to come to add elements. Click on add elements, and you want to take the header first. You take the header and you drop the header in there. All right, so now you have your header, and you can just can edit your header. You put services, something like that, or anything you want to type. All right, you put anything you want to type, and that one is done. I just click on the plus again, and I'm just going to take a button icon, and you leave your button icon at the bottom of your services. All right, now I'm just going to customize the button icon. You just need to go to style. You just need to tweak a little bit of things in the button icon. Go to style, and for the color, you want to change the color. Right, put the color to maybe somewhere like blue, and it's looking nice. And what you want to do now is to come to your text. You change your text color. You want to make your text to white. Put your text color to white. All right, so everything is making sense now. What you need to do now is you need to come to the service too as well. You need to change the color of the services, and yeah, put the color to white, the text color to white. When you put the text color to white, you now to click on the container, click on your main container. That's it right there. You go to style. When you go to style, you want to click on this right here, classic, this, and the color, you set your container color to black. Set your container color to black. And that's it now. It's looking nice. And I'm just going to go back to your layout. When you go back to your layout, you want to put everything. You come to align items, put everything to the center. Wow, that's looking good. All right, but the next step, what you need to do now, you click on the plus, you come to search, you search basic. Yeah, and you take your basic gallery. It's going to pop up your basic gallery, and you want to drop it at the bottom of your button, somewhere in here at the bottom of that. Wow, that's good. So we have our basic gallery. I'm just going to delete this. All right, so now everything is looking clean. You click on your basic gallery. That's it right there. And you want to when you come to, like, you need to add images. All right, you want to add images. I'm going to leave the link of all the images I'm using in this video. The link is going to be, you can come into my Google Drive. When you enter my Google Drive, I'm just going to leave the Google Drive link. I'm going to leave a Google Drive link at the description. You're going to have all the images I use with the code. All right, it's going to be inside here, just 3 megabytes. Just need to click on it, and you click on your download button and you download the file. All right, so now I'm just going to click on the plus icon right here, and I'm going to add images. All right, I'm just going to add my images. So you can see these are the images I use. I just need to click on the plus, just click all of them. All right, when you click them, they're going to be selecting. You just select them. When you're clicking, you're selecting, all right? So that's it, and just come here to create a new gallery. Creating a new gallery, you can see you can position the images any way you want, all right? Just like this, position the images and click on insert gallery. Now, when the images have loaded up this way, you're going to see that going to be this way. This is how the images are going to show up. Now, what you want to do is you need to come to your link, and this media file, if you click on one, the images is going to, it's not, you just need to come here. You see how it's showing. The image doesn't need to show that way. I need to come to media file. You just need to put none, all right? This media file needs to put none. What you need to do now is you need to come to your image resolution and put them full, all right? So your images really pop up, they look really big and nice. You see this now, this is what you need to do. So now this is the next step. What you need to do now is you click on your main container, you click on the 6 dot right there. When you click on the 6 dot, you need to come to advanced, and when you're advanced, you go down, you scroll down, and you come to the CSS classes. This is what you type this code, all right? mdw/curved slider. All right, so you type that code. When you finish typing mdw curve slider, this is what you need to do. The next step, follow me through this step, because it's very, like, this is a crucial step, all right, for you to be able to make the rotating effect. Click on it, click on your plus icon, and you type in HTML, and here you're going to put in the code. If you're wondering on where to get code, when you download the file, the code is going to pop up, and this code is going to show. Just wait with me, see what I'm doing. It's very easy, no need to worry. Just type in HTML, all right? When you type in HTML, you drag this, and you need to drop it in here. When you drag in your HTML, now you have where to input your code right here. You just come, you're going to see this text file in the document folder where you download it, all right? You just need to come, you click anywhere, I click on Control A. Click on Control A on your keyboard to copy everything, and you click on Control C to copy, all right? Click on Control A to select everything, Control C to copy. So now when you've copied everything, now you just need to come here, you click on that, and you click on Control V, paste your code there. Now when you paste your code right here, we can preview it already. I'm going to tell you it's already, you're going to see the sliding effect. The sliding effect is already popping up, something like that. That's it. It's very easy. What you see this image at the background, we're going to fix that. Let's go and fix it again. We enter back into our editing page and click on this image container. When you click on the image container, you go to advanced, and when you go to advanced, you want to scroll down. You scroll down to responsive, and what you need to do now, you need to hide all of them, all right? Hide on desktop, something like that. You need to hide on desktop, you hide on your tablet, and you hide on mobile phone, all right? So now let's preview how it looks. All right, so now you can see everything is popping really good and everything is looking nice, right? All those images at the background, the distraction, we have already cut it off. So now the next step we need to do, I know with you, if you have a good internet and everything like that, is going to be more smoother. The next step we need to do, follow me, we need to arrange our text on these services, and click here. All right, that's the two things we need to do left. So let's do that. I click on our services. When you click on our services, this one needs to be at the top and the click here needs to be at the bottom. All right, now you come to advanced. When you come to advanced, what you need to do now, your position, you need to set up your position to absolute. All right, so you see position right here, you click on the position and make sure it's set to absolute. Set to absolute, and when you set that to absolute, it's going to go at the corner. This is where you need to make an arrangement. You send it here, you click on the bottom. Send it somewhere at the bottom, and you need to change this px to percentage, something like that. Change the px to percentage, and what you want to do now, you come down again, offset at the bottom, change to percentage. That's it right there. And what you want to do now is you can put a value. Let me see, you type in like 76. All right, so now our services, we are going to leave it that way, and the next thing we need to come is to click this click here button. We need to arrange our click here button. All right, so if the values don't go the way you want, you have to make sure you tweak them to arrange them, all right? So just follow everything I did. You come still to advanced. When you come to advanced, change the position to up, change the position. You want to select absolute as well. When you're absolute, the button for this, it's already good. You leave it this way, and you come change it to percentage, this px to percentage. And you change this one as well to percentage, all right? Change to percentage. You just need to start tweaking them, all right? I can just leave it to 44, something like that. Come again here, and you see this offset. You want to drag it. reduce it a little bit, maybe 75, something like that. All right, I can just preview again. Why I've dragged the click here. Let's see how it goes. So you can see it's looking it's looking a bit better. It's looking a bit better. So that's it. You can see come to offset again and see arrange. All right, anything when you do it's not looking the way you want, you just need to come to position and you click and you keep arranging the position. See, keep arranging the position. Any design you make, you have to make sure it looks good on your tablet and your mobile phone. All right, so because people will be accessing websites mostly on mobile phones. So now if you check on the tablet, if you just go in the tablet section and you see how it's looking, all you just need to do now is just to reduce maybe the size of the services and and you arrange some things and you go to your mobile phone. In the mobile device, let's see how it's going to look, because most people are going to access the website on your mobile device. You see it doesn't look centered really good. It doesn't look centered. What you need to do now is you just need to come to this. You click on this, click here, and you're still going to be arranging some things in here. All right, so you can just maybe reduce that and you come and shift it maybe to the left or to the right, but that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. There's not a lot of problem with the images. The images are still going to be looking fine, and if they don't look fine, you still fix the size and everything like that. I've accessed the site through my mobile phone and it's looking very nice. And even the template you purchase on my website, if you purchase it, it's still looking nice. So that's it, you're good to go. It's not a problem. So that's all what you need to do in order for you to create this nice effect. All I'm asking, you just need to click the subscribe button, like the video. Thank you all. Feel free to leave a comment below. Or stay blessed.